Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for complete statistical analysis. To begin, navigate to the Data Analysis section and select the Correlation Analysis module. If you do not have a dataset ready, you can easily create one directly within RAISINS using the Create Data option. Click on Create Data to open the dataset builder. Next, enter the number of variables and number of observations you would like to include in your dataset. Once these details are provided, RAISINS will automatically generate a customizable data entry template. You can then enter your values manually by typing them into each cell one value at a time. Alternatively, if your data already exists in another file such as Excel, you can simply copy and paste the values directly into the generated template, making data entry quick and convenient. After completing the data entry process, review the dataset to ensure that all values have been entered correctly. Once satisfied, click the Download CSV file button to save the newly created dataset to your computer. Once your dataset has been downloaded, head over to the Analysis tab and upload the dataset using the File Upload option. After the dataset is uploaded, select the variables you wish to analyze, configure any required settings, and run the analysis. In addition to the Create Data option, RAISINS also provides 3 model data sets within the Correlation Analysis module. These sample data sets can be downloaded and used as references to better understand the required data set structure and formatting. You may download any of the available model data sets and use them as a guide while preparing your own data. Now, let's see how to create a dataset manually in Microsoft Excel using one of the downloaded model datasets as a reference. Start by opening a blank Excel workbook. In the first row, enter the names of your variables. For example, if your study contains 3 variables, enter the variable names in separate columns of the first row, such as variable 1, variable 2 and variable 3. Next, enter the corresponding observations below each variable column. Each column represents a variable while each row represents an observation. Continue entering the values under their respective variables until the dataset is complete. Once all the observations have been entered, save the file as a CSV or Excel file. You can then return to the Correlation Analysis module in RAISINS, upload the dataset, select the variables of interest, and proceed with your analysis. RAISINS, the future of research, begins here.